Let me know when you can see my screen.
Yeah, it's visible.
It's taking some time to log in again. So, yes, that was a mistake.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, no, I think
Mm.
this Boomi is slow actually sometimes. And other than
Mm.
cloud tenants also, if I log in with this, so they have an update maybe. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, where have we now? What did we discuss yesterday?
Try touch
Okay,
exception.
so you are comfortable with try catch now?
Yeah.
How to retrieve the error message and how to design process and all,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
So the major thing you have to remove, you have to remember is as soon as the process starts, just keep an eye on just keep a try catch, okay, and put a message shape to catch the exception message.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay, so this is the
Mm-hmm.
exception message. So how do we get the exception message? So what you do, you take this plus, you get the static value here. So this is a document property. So document property is a system property. Okay, Boomi
Mm-hmm.
core property you can say. So you go to document property, go here, connectors. This is an internal metadata, right? So this is internal core logic of the Boomi. So any core
Mm-hmm.
logic, is metadata usually, right? So this is metadata. And this is like, this is where you find this, okay? You can make a note or take a screenshot. So document properties, you will find connected documents, trading partners, and metadata. So this is metadata. So you will find all these details here. Okay, in this is try catch message. So that's how you retrieve the message, and you have retrieved now. Once you have retrieved, you can play whatever you want. You can store it in some variable, okay, or you can send an email or whatever it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we still
For
have,
sending email in the catch shape, do we need to add
uh,
that email
yes,
mail connector?
yes, you have to use. You want to see how to do a mail connector here only?
Yeah. Yeah.
You want to see that? Okay. So we will not be having this connection details. So you will not be able to see, get the email, but I can explain you how you do this. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, let's see. So this is a connector again. So this comes here. And this is a mail connector. Okay. So you take a mail connector here, mail, created a connection. I don't know if this is correct or not. Yeah. There is no connection details, But this is how you create a connection. Okay, I'll show you. Normally, every organization, what it does is the networking team create give some basic details when any user wants to connect to an SMTP server, because all applications, be it SAP, be it .NET, be it Java, everything requires email for user communication, right? So they give some basic details to us like the host name, the port number, and the user ID password, okay, for us to communicate. So those details, if you get from the networking team, you put the details here. Usually host name will be something like that. Suppose we are using online ITGuru, SMTP dot online ITGuru, will be something like that. Okay. I was working for some SVC company, so it was svccorp.com. Okay. I was working for SCI. It was SCI US.com. So same way, if it is suppose you're working for online ITGuru, it will be something like smtp.onlineitguru.com. Okay. This will be the host name. Suppose you are working for UKG, you will have something like smtp.ukg Chronos or something
Your
like.
application details will come here.
So you will get all this from the networking team only. If you
Okay.
send a screenshot and ask them, can you provide these details? They will provide all the details. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you give the details, sometimes for quality we don't put authorization, but for production we put authorization. So we give user ID, password. Once you set the password, you cannot see, this is encrypted. Okay. So this is how you have created a mail connection.
So connection you have configured.
Sakshi, you didn't understand?
Yeah, connection we have configured and operation.
Connection is done.
Hmm.
You understood connection, Sakshi?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you are done with connection, the next step is the action. Okay. You can use mail connected two ways: one to retrieve emails and one to send emails. Okay. 99.9% we send emails only. So you have to change it to send. Okay. Based on the get and send, the operation changes. Now it is send. Okay. Click on this operation. Now this is operation. Okay. The from to, suppose it is Pramod, Pramod Kumar at gmail.com. So I want to send it to Sakshi at gmail.com. So you say create the values. You just enter the values here. Okay. From to, the subject is again, it is assume failure email process. Okay. So
If
here
you
you
want
have,
to send the email from our application, so we need to enter that DL or something in the prompt.
yeah. If you are using a DL, see everything is, you can do whatever it is. See, even DL is again an email ID only. Na? It is just that internally it has many other email IDs, right? We have integration services email ID we use daily for one of my customers. So that is just an email ID only. Inside that we are like 10, 15 people. So it's like that. So at the end of the day, it is again an email ID. If you see, there are two options here. If you want to send an attachment, this is attachment. If it is inline, you don't do anything. This goes as a data inside the mailbox, inside the mail body.
Sorry, what is the disposition?
That's what. If there is a data, if you want to send the data as an attachment, you put as an attachment. If you don't want to send anything as an attachment, you put it as inline.
Means if we just want to send an email, nothing is there in the attachment.
Nothing is there in attachment. So you don't need to bother about anything of this. Okay. I will show you how to send the mail body. Mail body we cannot configure here because this is a small operation. There is a different way of configuring. We will come back to that. We'll go one step at a time. This is only about details like from to subject disposition and what is the content and all. You can put HTML also, binary, XML,
What
whatever.
type of content we are providing in the attachment.
All this body content also, if it is XML and all, we can just configure. So this is only one part.
I can't see the options in the drop down menu. I think there is some screen sharing issue or something, I guess.
Okay, let me just stop and visualize that. Okay, now can you see?
Like every time I can just see the option which is the first option. Means if you click on the drop down, I can't see all other options.
What can you see now on the screen?
Attachment, disposition, attachment.
You can't see inline?
No.
Oh, strange.
Yeah, in first day itself, this is the issue.
So this is, I think, Chrome issue. This is a meeting issue.
Yeah. Right. If you selected that, then I can see that option.
1 minute, we'll do that. Huh. So, okay, let me explain you in this way. I will try to send a screenshot and send you in the chat.
Mhm.
How does that feel? Is that okay?